Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are actually doing a Birchbox unboxing. Now this one was a long time coming. I only got this box last Friday when I was in Amsterdam. Thankfully it came to work, so I could pick it up whenever. But Jesus, it took so long. I messaged the customer service. Now I don't know, because they said that they're going to send out a replacement box. So I'm not sure if this is the replacement box or another box is coming. If the other box comes, I will message customer service again about it, as to what they want me to do. But anyway, if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that we get is a Charlotte Tilbury perfume. So this is the Scent of a Dream little perfume sample. The long-term subscribers or whatever, it wasn't a choice, but you could either get the Charlotte Tilbury one or Marc Jacobs Daisy. I wholeheartedly wanted the Marc Jacobs Daisy because I really want the full size. So if I had the smaller size, I could test it out and see if I really like it, if it lasts on me, yada yada yada. But I got this and I've already sprayed it and tried it, and Jesus, it smells like my grandma's perfume. No joke. So it has this similar vibe to the Chanel No. 5 perfume, which is specific to say the least. So it's not my favorite. I don't know, I might give it to my mother to see if she likes it. If she does, happy days. If she doesn't, then I don't know what to do, because I will definitely not be using that. Next up, I have the Beauty Crop X Birchbox You Go Girl Bronzer Compact. So this is the compact, and when we open it up, this is the bronzer packaging. It's super cute. It's holo, so it's nice. And this is the bronzer shade. This is in the shade Sardinia Sand. I think there was 2 shades also. I'm not sure which one was the lighter, which one was the darker color, but I also tried this on my face already and I really enjoyed it. This is the shade, and as you can see, it's really nice. It's pretty warm, but it has a little bit of a yellow undertone, which I don't mind. It's very unique because I don't have a bronzer shade like this in my collection. So yeah, cool, and I'm happy to try this one out. Next up, I have the Cella Eyebrow Defining Gel in Clear. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm not gonna open it up, I'm not gonna see the wand, because I have this pixie gel that I am trying to use up, but it's never ending. I use this every day, and I don't know if you can see, it has kind of gone down a little bit, so I'm like a third of the way in, which is, this is gonna take ages to use up. So it's a cool product. I probably won't use it for a while, but it's a clear eyebrow gel. It's great for when you're using a pencil or a powder to just set down the brows so that they don't move. Next up, I have the Caudalie Veneosaurus SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. So this is the serum. I have tried this guy before a few times, or I think twice. I got a sample of something, I think it was an order or something like that, and I really enjoyed it. So it's quite runny. It's serum, so you put it before your you put it on before your moisturizer, and yep, it does hydrate my skin pretty well. Now I am in the process of using up the ordinary hyaluronic acid serum, which I only got in this month's fantastic box, so I'm nowhere close to finishing that up, but when I do, I'll be happy to dive into this one. The next thing that we have is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So we had a choice between this ultra brightening one or a charcoal clay mask or charcoal mask. I chose this one on purpose because I already have a few charcoal masks in my collection and I do not need another one. However, this is something different. This is a brightening and it's purple, which is my favorite color. Yeah, I'll try it out tonight and see what the results are, and I'll probably let you know in a future video or empties when I use this up. And the last thing in the box is the Petite Bod Glitter Body Scrub. So this is what it looks like. Another holo packaging, which is super cute. But this is strange, like there is actual glitters like there, if you can see, and I don't know how effective that is or how safe it is for, you know, the water. Oh, never mind, it says fish friendly glitter, so I assume it's biodegradable and it's gonna be okay. So we have the way to use it. You can apply to wet or dry skin, which is weird. Dry skin, wouldn't recommend that, but you massage or you scrub until only glitter remains. So, you know, that's a cool indicator as to when you have to stop scrubbing your skin, when it's, you know, done basically. But yeah, this is interesting and super cool. I have another scrub in my bath, but this is going into my backup because I definitely want to use this and see if it works or if it doesn't, or if it's a gimmick. So this month's box is a 5 out of 6 box from me. I liked everything except this Charlotte Tilbury perfume. I'm just not a fan of the scent. It's very specific and I really like fruity and floral scents rather than, you know, very heavy musky grandma like perfumes. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.